Hi, this song is called The Tale of the Israeli Cats, and it is the first in a cool series called
The Dynamite series. You've all heard of the song Dynamite? Well, we remixed it up, and we hope you like it. Okay, 5, 6, 7.
I'll tell a tale all about cats in Israel, It was a very big fail. Yeah, the feast went on and on until the tuna fish was gone. Yeah, I throw my tail up in the air sometimes, singing meow, need some chow. I need to lick my milk and eat my fish. Hear me purring, my tummy's turning. Then the cat sleep. They had more at the feast. And now our tale is done. But won't cats have some fun.